A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today my topic is the Amazon Basin, chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Human Environment Interactions, the Tropical and Subtropical Region. Class 7th, subject Geography. Dear students, the Amazon Basin, it is an equatorial region. It is an equatorial region. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, Amazon Basin is located between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. 10 degree north and 10 degree south. 10 degree south of equator in the South America. In the South America, the river basin drains. Portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and small parts of Venezuela. Small parts of Venezuela. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, Amazon Basin, it is an equatorial region lying in the countries of Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Guyana and South Bolivia of South America. तो प्यारे बच्चों, the Amazon River is the most important river of South America. It carries the largest volume of water in the world. The Amazon River starts from the Andes Mountains. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है, Andes Mountains are the longest mountain chain in the world and a young-fold mountain range like the Himalayas. The Amazon River starts from the Andes Mountains and drains into the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, it is joined by more than 1,000 tributaries. 1,000 tributaries on its way. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, tributaries, these are small streams that join the main river. Tributaries provide water to the main river from the surrounding areas. Areas are termed as tributaries. The Amazon River, along with its tributaries, forms the largest river basin in the world. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इसके बाद क्लाइमेट यानी आबो हवा. क्लाइमेट जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, lying in the equatorial region, lying in the equatorial region, the Amazon Basin has a very hot and wet climate throughout the year. Amazon witnesses uniformly high temperature due to bright sunlight, and high relative humidity. Humidity. The days are extremely hot and unbearable. Unbearable throughout the year. Throughout the year. The Amazon basin receives heavy rainfall of about 250 centimeter. The rainfall is well distributed. There is no dry season in the afternoon. It rains heavily as compared to other parts of the day. Compared to other parts of the year, it receives convectional rainfall. Rainfall which is accompanied by lightning and thunder. Lightning and thunder यानी बादल की गरज. The weather remains sultry due to high humidity. This weather has a direct impact on the life of the people. In short हम ये बोल सकते हैं जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, the Amazon basin is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. The day temperatures are high with high humidity. At night the temperatures goes down but the humidity level remains the same. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इसके बाद Amazon basin is located in South America. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन राइज होता है, आपसे बोला जाएगा नेम द कॉन्टिनेंट इन विच द अमेजन बेसिन इज लोकेटेड. आपका आंसर क्या होगा? आपका आंसर होगा अमेजन बेसिन is located in South America, continent of South America. इसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, crops grown by the people of the Amazon basin. Crops grown by the people of Amazon basin. The people of Amazon basin mainly grow typica. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों tapioca, pineapple and sweet potatoes. Pineapple and sweet potato. Cash crops like coffee है, मेज उगाते हैं वहाँ के लोग, एंड कोको और also grown. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि अमेज़न बेसन, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, एनिमल्स दैट आर फाउंड इन अमेज़न बेसन, जैसा कि हम बर्ड्स देखेंगे। बर्ड्स में बर्ड्स like tokens, a tropical American fruit, a tropical American fruit eating bird. Tropical American fruit eating bird. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, टोकन्स, ह्यूमिंग birds, the animals that are found in Amazon basin। जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा birds like tokens, humming birds, animals like monkey, tapirs, animals, कौन कौन से एनिमल्स वहाँ पे हैं? लाइक monkey, tapirs, reptiles कौन कौन से हैं? लाइक स्नेक है, स्नेक, क्रोकोडाइल्स, पैथॉन्स, लाइक एनाकोंडा। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।